Hi, Nacho. How's everyone? Let's get some Cloud Developer Associate Exam. Let's get ready. So we're trying to get ready. የተዘጋጀ ነው ለኤግዛም Developer Associate Exam. So let's see. When you work with Amazon Web Services, you should be familiar with how services integrate with each other. In this lab exercise, you build a serverless create, read, update, and delete API that is reliable, highly available, and scalable. You use the AWS resources, Amazon API Gateway, AWS Lambda, and Amazon DynamoDB. The Lambda function uses an AWS identity and access management role to access API Gateway and DynamoDB. Then you verify that the API Gateway, API, DynamoDB table, and Lambda functions are configured correctly to all work together. Okay. Hi, thanks for meeting with me today. Our company is looking to build a movie database application and we want to make it cloud focused. We have been running traditional servers for years, but I keep hearing about serverless architecture and how it can save us money and improve scalability. And thanks for reaching out. You're right, serverless architecture could be perfect for using AWS serverless services. No, perfect for your movie database application. Instead of managing servers, we can build this using AWS serverless services that automatically scale with your needs and charge you only if you actually use. That sounds promising. I'm actually gonna skip, but let me read. Our current system is pretty basic. Excuse me. Pretty basic, such as adding new movies, storing movie information and allowing our web team to perform basic operations such as adding new movies, updating details, and retrieving movie information. What would that look like on AWS? And I would say, for your database, we will use Amazon DynamoDB, which is perfect for storing movie information. Then we will use serverless functions through AWS Lambda to handle all your operations, such as adding or updating movies. Finally, we will expose these functions through Amazon API Gateway, which gives your web team a secure, reliable way to interact with the system. Yes, that would be great. What kind of information can we store about each of the movie? DynamoDB. Each movie DynamoDB is very flexible. We can store basic information such as the title and year, but also more complex data such as cast list, ratings, and plot summaries. We will start by creating a table that can handle all this information. Perfect. And you mentioned something about Lambda functions. How do those work? Okay, I'm gonna skip this meeting, guys. I think I already practiced. I think I'm in the DIY section. Wait. Solution validation. Well, DIY goals. Create a delete method under the movies resource in API Gateway. Run a test. Oh gosh. This needs actually like active mind, not sleepy mind. Okay, let's see machine learning actually. So I'm actually not into reading right now. Oh my gosh.